Achieving a stable national security environment is among the challenges faced by the Aquino government. This is very crucial to the continued growth and development of the country. Among those at the forefront of such tasks are the police, and the Aquino government is giving them all the necessary support to effectively address internal security concerns like armed conflicts and criminality.
Sinimulan na po natin ang distribution ng mga bagong unit ng 9mm Glock 17 pistols. At hindi rin magtatagal, may pagkakalob na rin ang kabuuang 74,879 na baril sa ating kapulisan.
This is just one of the many visions by the Chief Executive for the Philippine National Police which came true last week. But then, the President's eagerness for the PNP to become more equipped does not end in the procurement of the needed firearms, and in fact, Malacanang Palace is in full support of the police force for its undertaking as far as intensification of its force is concerned. As such is the acquisition of 2,500 patrol vehicles, hopefully to be completed this year.
Inaprubahan din ng Pangulo 2,500 vehicles. Ito yung vehicles na pagbibid nito.
Part of the PNP's move amid its effort to toughen their anti-criminality campaign is to deploy all policemen doing administrative works to field and patrol operations. The DILG chief said that none other than the President has already approved the hiring of civilian employees who will eventually do the paperworks and other clerical functions for the PNP.
No? Hindi naman kailangan na pulis ka para mag-encode ng mga pangalan. Hindi naman kailangan na pulis ka para mag-calculate ng mga leave benefits or pension benefits. Hindi naman kailangan na pulis ka para mag-calculate ng mga accounting o kung ano pang mga form. So, hinain ko to sa Pangulo na sinabi ko, sir, ito isang mabilis na paraan, makapag-hire tayo ng mga accountants, mga HR, iba pang mga college graduate, sila ang tugon, sila ang gagawa nitong mga trabaho na ito, at automatically, kung sino yung na-replace na pulis na yun, ay maaari nang makapagpatrol.
The government has sufficient budget to achieve the target included. The government has sufficient budget to achieve the target included under the PNP modernization program, such as equipment purchase and personnel hiring. Before the year ends, all 148,000 strong force of the PNP will already be 100% equipped with 9mm service firearms following its possession of more than 74,000 guns. Number of Glock 17 pistols are supposed to be at 60,000, but because of transparency and absence of any irregularity, the government managed to save and had spent the savings for additional more than 14,000 9mm. The PNP likewise now is eyeing to accomplish the ideal international standard of one policeman for every 500 persons as part of the modernization. The move to increase the number of police operatives was necessary as the police-to-population ratio is very low at 1:800. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.